So I know what you're probably thinking, Rhonda, your setup was so pristine. I'm in my garage because if you guys didn't see my Sephora recommendations and unshop with me, I was filming in here because I feed the stray cats in my neighborhood, and there's one that we thought that we could adopt, and I caught it, took it to the vet, did what the vet said, and now he is hiding, and he's been in hiding for overnight, and I'm stressed out. I've gone through so many different emotions. On top of that, one of my children is traveling international alone, and when I tell you I am going through it, I am freaking going through it. So what do I always do when I'm going through it? I work. But I want my new kitty cat son to get used to my voice even more. So I sit in the garage and I film. So there'll be another video that I'll be filming and an unboxing. So I forgot scissors, but fortunately we've got our pumpkin carving stuff sitting here. We're unboxing the IPSY box. Do I know the name of this box anymore? No, because they just keep changing everything. But they did send it in PR, so shout out and thank you to IPSY for sending this box over in PR. I definitely appreciate it. Please, if I seem off, just know it's because I am so stressed the flip out. I'm doing all I can to keep my brain busy. I don't even want to talk about it because I will start crying, and I'm tired of crying. So anyways, let's just do this little unboxing. If you've never heard of IPSY, well, I think you're fibbing because it's been around for a hot doggone minute. They are doing like a rebrand and changing the name, so it's no longer even called BoxyCharm by IPSY. It's called something else. Let me know down below. I have it in my brain stuffed away somewhere. So you get to pick 3 out of the 5 items, and since this was in PR, I didn't get to pick anything. And the day you guys see this video, I'm pretty sure will be the last day to build your IPSY box. If I can get it up to you guys sooner, I'll do my best. But this is actually the October box. And when you see this video, you need to get in there and make your November picks. And I don't know what the November picks are going to be. They don't give us spoilers anymore like they used to. So dang gone. Okay, let's sit her down. The first thing I'm seeing here is the Perlice, however you say it, Pumpkin Chai Latte Cleansing Balm. It's pumpkin chai and soy milk. Okay, this I can get down with because that is one thing for some reason. I love using cleansing balms and oils, but I hate spending the money on them. Come on, if you can carve a pumpkin, can you cut open the box? There we go. Getting something like this in a subscription box, I can get down with that. Alright, so here's what it looks like. Camera quality will not be the best, nor is the lighting, nor is my attitude. And we've got the little scooper. I just want to know what it smells like. Everything that I wanted. Fun fact, I don't like pumpkin pie. And I can't drink pumpkin chai tea lattes and all of that from like Starbucks because I'm a type 2 diabetic, so I have to keep my sugar low, or sugar content low. You guys freaking know, okay? If you don't know, you know. Just tell me you know. I am very happy about this. Don't know the price because they no longer give you the prices. I mean, I guess if you scan this, you can, but I feel like it doesn't really work if you get it in PR, it doesn't work. You know what I mean? Because that's not like the box that you paid for. I'm really going through it, guys. I'm really struggling. All right, next in here is the Dew of the Gods. What is this? Vegan and cruelty-free vitamin blend. Ooh, it's a body lotion that's pumpkin and sugar cookie. Yeah, I like it. They are really theming this super well. All right, let me know, guys. Did you like your October IPSY box? I'm not gonna fib. This did come to me, I don't even know. Today's actually Halloween when I'm filming this. I was out of town. I was in Chicago and then I was in LA. And actually the video that was supposed to go up today was not my Sephora video. It was supposed to be my Chicago and LA vlog. But the files are corrupted. So So that entire 30-some minute vlog that I have for you guys, it's a no. It is a no. Somewhere, some file is corrupted. We don't know which file. And it's such a long video that it would be really, really hard to like figure it out. And yeah, wow. Okay, this looks amazing. Like, I love the aesthetics of this. Let's see how it smells. Okay, I love that it locks, so perfect for travel. This is gonna smell amazing, I'm pretty sure. Okay. Okay, it says pumpkin and sugar cookie. I'm getting more snickerdoodly. Okay, you making me smile, IPSY. Dang. I need this right now. I need this so hard right now. I would love a pumpkin sugar cookie freaking cupcake. Okay, this makes me so happy. Maybe the smell will entice you to come out of the corner. My husband's freaking out. He's like, all right, when I get home, I'm gonna get in there. And I'm just like, he's already stressed out. But at this point, I'm freaking out. I'm just like, why do you have to keep hiding? Like, how long can you hide before you need food, water, and potty time? I don't know, because my cat doesn't hide. All right, next in here, I'm a little ho-hum about it. But honestly, I'm ho-hum because I have enough of it, but I'm only ho-hum and have enough of them because I have been a IPSY subscriber or a BoxyCharm subscriber since what, 2014, 2015. This is the JX Blend Pro 5-piece brush set. I could live without that. But again, keep in mind, you're customizing a majority of your box. So if this was something that was an option for me to pick, I would not have picked it. I don't know what the choices were. This is one I wouldn't have picked. But it is good if you are a makeup artist or you are growing your makeup into collection. You know, like my daughter, for example, is a cosmetologist. So these I will give to her for her makeup kit. All right, next in here, what is this? By Leaf? Is that how you say it? Astral palette. So it looks like it's like some little 6-pan palette. Honestly, I'm not familiar with this brand. Are y'all? Oh, it's cutesy. Let's swatch it. Sorry if I have the sniffles. I forgot that when I went in to grab a tissue and I don't have any out here. All right, so that white one seems a little chunky. But that's okay. Ooh, I see the ethereal or whatever there. Is it like a standout palette? Like, oh my gosh, game changer? No. And the lighting is not probably doing it justice because I'm using a garage light. So I don't have, and I literally have you up on like this rickety table. Listen. I love my animals, even if this one's not for sure about me right now. But anyways, the palette, it's cute. Nice little travel size. I do really like the matte shades in here. I don't know, it's actually color story. It's boring and neutral, so it's my kind of palette. All right, last in here, we've got the Rare Beauty Soft Pinch Blush, Liquid Blush. And Believe, I say, did I get a blush last month? Oh, I like this shade. That's a pretty shade. Definitely could see myself using that one. I don't believe I have that one. Oh, I think it's gonna be dark. Now, a dab will do ya. You don't need much. You can put these on your lips too, right? Because that is a really pretty color to put on my lips. I would like that. A long-lasting liquid blush that blends and builds beautifully for a soft, healthy flush. I guess these aren't for your lips, after all. It's really nice and creamy and blends out nice and soft. So I do like that. There's the blush shade. So, all right. Well, you know, I really came to gripe. I'm not gonna lie. I really was like ready to complain. Everything in this box I will use, minus the brushes. Those will get gifted to my daughter. But other than that, these, I just needed the yummy goodness smells. Are they extraordinary, amazing? No, but what I need in my life at this moment, and this works great for me. So I am really excited to get a balm because I feel like it's been a hot doggone minute since we've received any type of makeup removing balms, at least me personally. So that makes me happy. And it's been a hot minute since I feel like I've gotten a body lotion in the $35 box, you know? So for me, and the smell, it's delicious. I love a yummy goodness scent. So this is these top two for sure. And then of course the Rare Beauty and this palette, you can't go wrong with that. That's not bad. So these were amazing though. So anywho, if you want to go ahead and sign up for IPSY, the new era that's coming of IPSY for November 1, let me know what you guys' picks were. I'm very, very curious because you're going to know before I know, because it's in the past when you guys are seeing this video. It's in the future. I'm rambling. I'm hopping off for now. Wish me luck with this kitty cat, guys. I'm so stressed out. All right, I'm gonna hop off and film another unboxing because, like I said, work keeps my brain busy, and with my kiddo traveling international, my kid's an adult. Okay, all of my children are adults. But there's just that part of motherhood that I don't think I'm ever gonna be like, yay, have fun. I want my kid to have fun. Don't get me wrong. It's just, and I don't worry about my kid at like not being competent. My kids are very much responsible, competent adults. It's the world that scares me. Hands down 100%. It's the world that I fear. And they're just such good, pure kids. So I'm like, world, don't F them up. Anyways, if you want to sign up for IPSY, I will have an affiliate link down below. And I do want to say thank you if you do use my affiliate link to sign up with IPSY. I know some of you guys have, and just know it doesn't go unnoticed. I definitely appreciate you guys. And I appreciate those of you that, even if you don't sign up, you just watch my content, know that it's very helpful because it helps me in situations like this to be able to take stray cats to the vet and get the care that they need and everything. So anyways, friends, thank you guys for being here. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for the journey of my kitty cat son, Bobby Boo Ween, or Buddy Boo Ween. I'm kind of thinking it's gonna be Buddy. Until next time, kisses from Kentucky.
Keep it cool, with you I feel like breaking rules. On the edge, looking out with no parachute. You know I'm dreaming about us too.